So thank you very much for having us part of your event today. So I'm Julie Letertre. Unfortunately, I couldn't come today to join you, but my colleague Cristina Ananasso is with you at ESRIN. And so we are working at ECMWF, working on the Copernicus program. And we have been mandated by the European Commission.
Sorry, Julie, to interrupt you. Could you put the full screen?
Sorry.
Thank you.
Swap. Yeah, now it should be the right one. So
okay.
Thank you. So yeah, so we have been mandated at ECMWF by Copernicus to collect all the Copernicus information in order to present them for the health community. So in Copernicus, as most of you know, we have different components. So we have the Earth observation component of infrastructure, satellite data with ESA and EUMETSAT, and the in situ data. We also have the service data and information with 6 different services, the security, the emergency one, the climate, atmosphere, marine, and land. So all these different components are producing either data or advanced products that can be relevant to the health community. So some of these products, and is why you see a little red light around security, are sometimes restricted. Doesn't mean they are not accessible. They just need to have a request to give you the access for it. All these service and Earth observation component are producing use cases, are producing products and project outcomes. So we kind of try to have all the one who are relevant to one specific topic. So which one is a health for us, and try to make them accessible for the community. So we have developed a page, a website, which is the address is here, and on which you can access to all the different data type you need. So the purpose of having this kind of hub is really to facilitate the access, because sometimes we have seen so many examples yesterday and today of how different information can be valuable from different components of the Earth for the same type of disease. And sometimes it's really difficult for the institute or academic to find all the data in one point. So now we try to have this collection in one and only point to permit to allow the community to have access, have a quick overview of it. Then they can go to the different component and access to all the data they want. So one of the example, so we have use cases which we found the most relevant. So the data, of course, are as good use, but the use cases actually are quite relevant because they give idea to the community of how the data can be used. So we have, for example, a subcategory where we have all the air quality aspect. And here is one of these output was to use the air quality, but also for the pollen point of view, and see the impact on the health sector. So all these kind of things have been explored before. So, and you can see that is either physical, non-communicable diseases. It can be also mental health. It can be also well-being. Our colleague from WHO has presented actually the definition we used from them to build up the hub, because it was really important to make sure we don't miss any aspect of the health.
Julie, time to conclude.
Yeah, I'm just finishing with my next slide. So that is a feature development. So we have developed some website and catalog. We try to understand for the value proposition chain with how to better engage, why with the user who, and promoting the Copernicus products. So what is the what. We try to collect the user needs and requirement, develop new product indicator application based on user needs, and at the end, reach out the new user community and close engagement with Q1. And for example, we have a second program at CAMS, one of the components of Copernicus, which is a national collaboration that gave us access to the national community and have a better understanding of local needs. So all of that is to create a community of practice. And if you need, you have here the address to contact us to give you more information on anything you want. And if you want, at the lunch break, you can talk to Cristina. Thank you very much.